What's up, beautiful people? This is my first video of the year, so happy new year. In today's video we are going to be doing a tutorial on how to blow out your hair. This is very important for you to learn so you can do it yourself at home. Now I have actually put my hair in braids prior to this, so I just have to take the braids out and then moisturize my hair so it can shrink again, and then we can get into the blowing out. So blowing out is basically stretching your hair but with a blow dryer. I'm not trying to do like a silk press or a bone straight look. I just want my hair to be stretched, and I want to show you guys this tutorial, so stay tuned. So I'm going to moisturize my hair first. I'm going to spray it with water and then go in with a leave-in conditioner. After that, I'm just going to detangle the hair, and after detangling the hair you have to go in with a heat protectant spray. That is the most important thing if you are going to be stretching your hair using heat. You want to make sure that you coat the hair as much as you can with heat protectant spray. I am using the Tresemme heat protectant spray in this video, and it is really good. I've been using them for a while and I really love it. I like that it has this it doesn't just dry out my hair, so I love that so much about them. Now you want to make sure that when you are blowing out your hair, you want to start from the base. I mean from the ends of your hair, just the same way you would do when you are detangling your hair. That is very important. It makes it less painful, and it also helps you make your work faster. Now you have to be very patient when you are doing this, because trust me, I struggled a lot. And you also want to make sure that you are working in really small sections, especially if you are blowing out your hair for the first time. This is the first time I am doing this really well. The first time I did, it was not very perfect. I was still learning then, but this is what I'm just doing right now, and it is quite difficult for me to do this considering the fact that I cannot look at the mirror because I'm filming, and my filming setup is right in front of my mirror, so I can't really see what I am doing, which is really challenging. So what I'm just going to do is I'm going to do like a couple I'm going to do this a couple times, and then I'm just going to do the rest off camera, just so that I can make work a lot faster for me and I don't waste each other's time, because it was really frustrating. As you can see, the expression on my face was a whole lot. So what I'm just trying to do is, after I have stretched out the ends of my hair, I just walk all the way till I get to the root of my hair, and then I just go from one side to the other. As you can see, after doing all that parting, I just do the side, I do the other side, I do the front, and I do the back, and this is what it looks like. As I said, I'm not trying to do like a bone straight look, and working in small sections like this made it a lot easier for me to handle, and I love it so much. So I'm just going to work with that second section again, just so that you guys can understand what I did this first time. You want to make sure that your hair is well detangled and well moisturized, and you want to make sure that you've coated your hair with a whole lot of heat protectant spray. I am using the Tresemme, as I said. So you want to start with the ends of your hair. I'm using a comb here also. As you can see, I'm not using a really wide tooth comb. This is very important because you need it to be as stretched as you can. So you want to make sure that the comb that you are using is not very wide. You can also use a brush if that works for you. It would have been a lot more challenging than a comb, so I just decided to stick with a comb. For this video, you can use whatever you have. You can use the detangling brush, as long as the item can take heat and it won't melt the comb or the brush, then you are good, because you are going to be using medium heat for this tutorial basically. So after starting from the base, you want to make sure that you are following the comb with your blow dryer. As you can see in this video, it is very important. And that attachment that you are seeing in this video, the penetrator, it is really important as well. And you can see the difference between this and the one by your right and then the one by your left, it's just a whole lot of difference. So I'm basically just going to do it again, and as I said, working really small sections, it will really help you. It will make work a lot faster for you, and you want to make sure that your hair is well detangled so that you do not have to go through pain. I didn't go through any sort of pain at all. Meanwhile, before I learned this technique, it used to be so painful for me to like blow out my hair, which is why I hated it so much, because I didn't understand why I had to go through that type of pain to blow out my hair basically. So yeah, that is it. I am just going to be doing the same thing, and then after I have done this section, I am going to go ahead and do the rest off camera, just so it can make work a lot easier for me. And then I'm going to come back to do just the last part on camera. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I would see you again when I am done blowing out all the sections, and if I have any other extra thing to tell you guys, then I'll be back here to say that. So I am basically done with every other part of this hair. I only have this section left, and I'm just going to work with this section, and I'm going to show you some of the struggles that I faced while I was blowing out my hair. It was a lot of struggle. As you can see, I have to make sure that the blow dryer is facing the right angle. Now I feel like a question that you might ask me is, what if you have the comb attachment with your blow dryer? Then you can use that. It doesn't work for me because it just comes off. I guess my hair is too thick for it, or it's not just perfect, I don't know, but it just comes off immediately I put in my hair. That is why I love to use the comb method, because it's a lot easier for me and I don't have to struggle with removing and having to like attach the comb attachment back into the blow dryer. So you can do whatever works for you. Just make sure that you are using your heat protectant spray. That is very important. I think I've said that like 1,000,001 times in this video. It is very important, as I have said. So yeah, that is it. As you can see, it is stretched. You guys, believe me when I say, all these years that I've been growing my hair, I thought that it would be like breast strap length, or waist length at this point. But why am I still saying shoulder length hair? I've been growing my hair for I think 4 years at this point, and this is everything with it. It is thick, it is full, but I want some length. Let me know if you feel the same way in the comment section, and if this video did help you, don't forget to hit the like button so more people can see the video, because of course it will help them as well. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Subscribe if you are not subscribed already, and turn on the bell icon. I will see you next time. Bye.